You're missing out on one of the biggest YouTube goldmines right now. AI animated stories are blowing up. Channels like this are racking up millions of views and making thousands of dollars every month. And the best part, you can do this too for free, without animation skills, expensive software, or even showing your face. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create high-quality AI animated kids stories, from script writing to animation, voiceover, and monetization. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start your own YouTube channel and turn this into a real online business. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, let's use AI to generate creative story ideas instantly. You can use ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, but in this video we'll use ChatGPT. Prompt to use: give me 5 unique short story ideas for kids. Boom! Now we have 5 fresh story ideas. Pick one and expand it into a full script. Pro tip: avoid stories that are too complex. Keep stories simple, engaging, and easy for kids to understand. Now let's transform our idea into a complete, engaging story. Prompt to use: expand this kid's story idea into a complete narration script. Structure it with a clear beginning, middle, and end. Keep it under 300 words with a fun main character, a simple conflict, and a clear moral lesson. This ensures the story is structured, engaging, and easy to follow. Next, we'll break the story into structured animation scenes. ChatGPT can generate a detailed breakdown, including scene descriptions, narration, and camera movement. Prompt to use: break this script into clear, animated scenes with descriptions and smooth transitions. Each scene should have a brief, clear description of what happened, a separate narrator's voiceover script, suggested camera shots or animation movements to make it engaging for viewers. This will perfectly structure the animation process. I've compiled all the prompts I use in this tutorial into a free Google Doc. Grab the link in the description. If you're enjoying this tutorial and want to see more AI automation hacks, hit that like button, and it really helps the channel. And if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe now so you never miss a step-by-step guide like this. Now, let's bring our story to life with AI-generated characters. You can use Leonardo AI, Midjourney, or Stable Diffusion, but for this tutorial, we'll use Bing AI Image Creator. Unlike most AI image generators that require a subscription, Bing AI is completely free and gives you 15 free credits daily. But here's a hack: you can regenerate images unlimited times without using extra credits. Steps to generate AI images: copy and paste the scene descriptions from ChatGPT. Click Generate. Each generation costs 1 credit and produces 4 images. Select the best one and resize it to YouTube's correct aspect ratio, 16:9, by clicking Landscape. Pro tip: you can resize and regenerate images without using extra credits. This takes just a few minutes, and your images are ready. Look at these amazing results. For a more polished look, I'll be using Pixar-style 3D animation to enhance the visuals. Repeat this process for each scene and watch your story come to life. Now that we have our AI-generated images, let's animate them into a full video. You can use Hailuo AI, DID. Hey Jen, for this video, we'll use Hailuo AI. Hailuo AI offers 1,100 free credits on sign up. Steps to animate your images: upload your AI images. Apply movement effects like blinking, talking, and smooth transitions. Use the ChatGPT's suggested camera movements we got from the scene script to enhance storytelling. Select image to video. 01, director new for cinematic Pixar-style animation. Click Generate. This takes a few minutes to an hour depending on your plan, but the results are stunning. I'll do this for the rest of the images. Instead of recording your own voice, we'll use AI-generated narration for a professional storytelling voice. 11 Labs is best for natural, expressive voices. Muff AI, professional, human-like voices. For this video, we'll use Microsoft Clipchamp. Microsoft Clipchamp offers a free AI-powered text-to-speech tool that creates realistic voiceovers in multiple languages, perfect for YouTube videos, tutorials, and storytelling. Open Microsoft Clipchamp app on your mobile. Select Text-to-Speech option. Copy your story script from ChatGPT and paste it into Clipchamp. Choose the language: English, United States. Select a voice for narration. Tip: use a calm, storytelling voice that matches kids' content. I'll go with Christopher's voice. Preview the audio before clicking Generate to make sure it sounds natural. Now you have a high-quality voiceover for free without needing to record anything. Now let's add the final touch, background music and sound effects to make the story more immersive. Where to find free music? Pixabay. Thousands of free copyright-safe music and sound effects. Suno AI. Create custom AI-generated music. We'll be using Pixabay. Search for soft fairy tale music or use any music of your choice. Pick a song that matches your story's mood. Tip: try to find music without Content ID to avoid copyright issues. For this video, we'll use CapCut to edit. Now let's put everything together. AI-generated animations, AI voiceover, background music and sound effects, final editing tips. Use smooth transitions to make the video flow nicely. Keep background music low so the voiceover is easy to hear. Add subtle sound effects to make the story more fun and engaging. And that's it. Our AI-generated kids story is ready. Simple, creative, and made completely with AI.
Ben loved the night sky. Every evening he lay on the grass, counting stars and making wishes. But one night, something incredible happened. A tiny twinkling star fell right into his backyard. The star was no bigger than a marble and glowed softly. When Ben picked it up, a warm voice whispered, "Make a wish." Ben, excited, "I wish for a giant ice cream cone." Poof! A triple scoop ice cream appeared in his hands. Ben couldn't believe it. He wished for a skateboard. Poof! Then a tower of pancakes. Poof! He kept wishing and wishing. But soon the little star dimmed. Its glow faded and its voice grew weak. Star says softly, "I need to go home, back to the sky." Ben looked at his pile of wishes and then at the tiny, fading star. He had been so excited about making wishes that he didn't realize he was draining its light. Ben knew what he had to do. He gently tossed the little star back into the sky. It twinkled brighter and brighter, zooming up until it joined its friends in the night. As he watched it glow, Ben made one last wish, without magic this time. Ben smiling, "I wish for the star to shine forever." That night, Ben learned that some things are more special when we let them go. And if you ever see a star twinkle extra bright, it might just be Ben's little friend saying hello.
YouTube ad revenue, once monetized. Earn from every view. AI animated kids stories rank well in YouTube's algorithm and have high watch time, making them a great source of passive income. Affiliate marketing. Promote AI tools like Hailuo AI, 11 Labs, or Bing AI Image Creator in your description and earn commissions. Selling digital storybooks. Convert your videos into ebooks or print books and sell them on Amazon KDP or Gumroad. Merch and licensing. Create character-themed merch, toys, or printables, and sell them on Etsy, Redbubble, or your own website. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash the like button, comment below if you want more AI automation hacks. Subscribe now so you never miss a step-by-step guide like this. Get the free Google Doc with all the prompts in the description. Now, go create your first AI animated kids story and start your YouTube journey today.